Hey there, Jay Marshall here. Today we're going to look at resources in Schoology, how to find them and save them. So let's get started. Once you log into Schoology, please click on Resources at the top. We're going to focus on public and group resources. And before we do, I want to remind you that we have an option to create like a little filing system using collections, this collections button. So I've got a couple of collections that I've created already, and I encourage you to do so as well. Let's look at public resources. If you go into public resources, you have a search field, and this is where we can type in a search for whatever topic we are interested in teaching. Now, once I type it in, I see some filters that I can apply. This is going to dig through all the resources that have been shared by the many Schoology users. It's a great community. They love to share. So look at this. There's tons of stuff in here. So I'm going to look up here at Civil War Causes Unit, and I want to dig in and make sure I like the material that has been shared. So let's pretend that I've spent a few minutes digging through all of this, and I really have decided that I like it. I can simply click this plus button, and this plus button will add it. And you might be asking, where does it add it to? Well, let's go back to Public Resources, and I'm going to go up to my Personal folder and look at Downloads. That's where it's at. So you can see all the stuff I've downloaded. Look at all that. And it's right down here, Civil War Causes Unit. I can dig into it. Maybe there are certain things that I want to add to my class. So maybe I want this, Civil War Causes Notebook. If I click the gear button, I can add it to a course, select my course, decide on what folder it needs to go in, and simply add it. I can also copy this to another area of my resources. I can put it into a collection, or I can share it with a group. I can also move it. Maybe I want it moved out of downloads. I can move it to a collection. And then the last choice is to delete. Okay, I can do this at the folder level as well. All those same options are available at this folder level, as you can see. There's another pretty cool thing you can look up in Schoology, and that is templates. So if you type in hashtag SGY templates, then I press return, you'll see that there are some cool templates here. Lots of ideas. Yeah, this is great stuff. Oh, student choice boards. There's another one up here, student choice boards. I'm going to try this one out. And you can see I've already added this one, so it must be good. So it's the same idea. I can go in here, see if I like the material, and then if I like it, I can click the plus button, which as you can see, I must have liked it. Okay, we're going to go back to resources and let's look at groups. So in groups, it works the same way. So these are groups that I belong to. And if I look at the 5th grade curriculum group, ooh, I see a folder called Social Studies, and I dig through it. This is where I can also grab some resources. So maybe I want to take the link here and copy it to a course, or add it to a course, or copy it to another area in my Schoology resources. Same principle applies. Add to course, copy to. So I can get materials from the groups I belong in. Groups are a great way to collaborate. So I hope that helps. And as always, if you have any questions, please email us at edtech@nmusd.us.